In Excel functions, now we take a look at named ranges. So what is a named range? Excel names a cell or a group of cells and is widely used in any financial model in Excel spreadsheet. There is, however, good reasons to use named ranges when one constructs a financial model in Excel. The advantages are it makes the formulae easier to follow since named ranges reduces the dependence of referencing each individual cells. There is no absolute referencing required within a named range. Drop-down boxes can only be used with named range. When linking to external files, named ranges are very much used and is the common practice. So let us see what a named range is. Here we have a table and here we have a list of values and we have given it a name. Pricing is what we have given. To create a named range, it is simple. You first highlight the cells which are to be in a named range and then enter the name of the range in the dialog box. So in the place of A2 you can type in pricing and just press enter. So that creates a named range. So if you go and see, there is pricing, which is the named range. Once you select that, the named range will appear as a list of cells which are selected. Now the convenience is that if you go to A7, there is a formula. There is a formula for calculating sum. And you can just give the name of the named range. So you can just give that and it is going to add up everything within that named range and the value will be placed in the value column in the formula bar. So just give the name of the named range and then that will be included in A7 as a value. So it is much easier to handle. So the advantages are it makes the formula very easy to follow. There is no absolute referencing required within a named range. And drop-down boxes can only be used with named range. So when linking to external files, named ranges are very much used and is the common practice. Thank you.